I'm going to show you another feature of DME Justify that can really help home health companies and other facilities when their therapists are being asked to do wheelchair evaluations. A lot of times their software is not set up for this kind of equipment. And it's difficult and very tedious to try to figure out how to say the things that you need to say. So I'm going to show you how we can cut right to the chase and give you you maximize your time in getting the equipment and go back to doing what you do best with home health or your facility. So first of all, here is one quote that I've already processed. It's a regular Group 2 power wheelchair with all those accessories. I am going to go into account first and then go to preferences. And then I'm going to go make sure your page break is off if you're going to export into the Word document. And then you can update your own logo. You can change your logo to your own business or your company's logo or whatever. So it's very official. It'll be something that the doctor will see. Your name, your title, your company name, your business address, your phone number, and then you get to see what your letterhead preview and your signature block is going to look like right here. So that's saved one time. This is going to save in your profile when you make those changes the first time. Then go back to your main page and we get our paragraph back. Now, I'm going to, just for a reminder, I'm going to go to Enhance and show you how that works. I've already put the past medical history in here. When you clear all, this goes away. This is removed from your cache of your browser. So it'll be gone for the next time. Oh, and then use paragraph indentation. It'll do a smart page break or page indentation. Enhance. And it's going to build it right before your very eyes. Based on what you introduce to it. It will take first name only. Any other identifiers are going to be rejected. That means date of birth, it will not process date of birth. It doesn't go into the system. Medical record numbers are going to be rejected. It's going to give you an error right away. And then you can fix those things and then it'll take it. I have run into like where equipment with like ACTA back actually is a back positioning component or thoracic positioning. It thought that was somebody's name. So it does work, and trade names can get flagged, but don't get discouraged because those are easy to fix. And you can just delete that in the enhancement and try again and it'll take it. So let's type in my fake name here and his fake date of birth. Wheelchair evaluation. It did save that, but it'll clear all of that when I hit clear all. Then print letterhead. And I'm going to be able to print it directly from my computer. And here's the beautiful paragraph in paragraph form, the entire letter of medical record. And that's unfortunate that that's on the third page. But you can set up how you want to do that any way you want. But that is your basic export option for printing. If you wanted to, let me just go ahead and undo. This is also an option. If you don't like the enhance, you can go back to the original. And that's what came from the database. So let's say I made a mistake and I want to change the joystick. You could either delete it and you can do the other one, Joy LS, or type in 1032, which is your HCPCS code, and choose the right option there. Or you can just go to ready to edit, hit that. The joystick needs to be mounted on the left. There it is right there. It highlighted it for a second until I clicked. left, like that. And it will, even though the code stays the same, you can export it with those changes, no problem.